Welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into the world of gardening with a review of the best valerian seeds for planting. Our spotlight is on the Sereniseed Certified Organic Herb Seeds 10-pack. This comprehensive pack offers a variety of culinary herbs, ensuring a bountiful and aromatic garden. Let's delve deeper into what makes these seeds stand out. First off, these seeds are USDA certified organic by Oregon Tilth, guaranteeing top-notch quality. With 10 different herbs packed fresh for the current and following year, you're in for a treat. From thyme to basil, oregano to sage, this pack covers all the essentials. Each variety is carefully selected and packed, ensuring you get non-GMO, open-pollinated, and trusted seeds. What's more, Sereniseed pledges not only to provide excellent seeds but also to guarantee their germination. With tested germination rates and purity, you can trust in a successful harvest. But wait, there's more. Access to a seed starting video guide is included with the pack, offering valuable insights and tips for beginners and seasoned gardeners alike. Sereniseed goes the extra mile by storing their bulk seeds in a temperature and humidity-controlled environment, ensuring optimal germination rates and seed viability. So there you have it, folks, the Sereniseed Certified Organic Herb Seeds 10-pack, the best valerian seeds for planting. With quality, variety, and a commitment to excellence, this pack is a must-have for any herb garden enthusiast. Thanks for tuning in to Product Critique. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more reviews on the latest and greatest products. Until next time, happy gardening!